Okay, now let's take a look at the single axis history. Right now, we're assuming the default factory setup. This is the spacer. It's already installed. 10 blades is the maximum limit. There is another set of tools stored here. Just open this up. Open this panel door and place it right here. This is the backup. Inside here is the motor. This is the front side. When you are loading material, you move it this way, from here to here. This is the feeder slot. This is the side view. Plug in the power connector. Loosen the screw to connect it. This is a 10 kilowatt single axis setup. Here is the feeder at the back. There are 2 cardboard boxes for packaging here. Okay,